going to learn some new vocabulary. Okay, so the first one here is
hair,
hair,
eyes,
eyes,
ears,
ears,
nose,
nose,
mouth,
mouth. Okay, so try to repeat, please. Repeat after the speaker.
Hair,
Hair,
eye,
eye,
nose,
nose,
ear,
ear,
mouth,
mouth. Great, good job. It's got yellow. Yellow what? Yellow hair. Number 2, it's got green. Green what? Eyes. 3, it's got orange ears. 4, it's got blue nose. 5, it's got a red mouth. A red mouth. Great. A red mouth. Okay, that's it. Now let's move on. And okay, now much color and say before we should draw this teddy bear. Okay, so these are ears. 1 ear, 2 ears. Then this is the hair, and 2 eyes, and this is the nose. Finally, we have the mouth. Okay, now let's color them. It's got yellow hair.
It's got yellow hair.
Hair. So this is the hair and this is yellow. So let's color it with yellow. Okay, number 2.
It's got green eyes.
Green eyes. This is green eyes. 3.
It's got orange ears.
Orange ears. Okay, so here we have ears and this is orange. Then
it's got a blue nose.
Blue nose. This is the nose and this is blue. Finally,
it's got a red mouth.
Red mouth. This is the mouth and this is the color red. Great. Okay, so now let's move on. Have your song.
I'm a very funny teddy bear. I've got 2 eyes and a lot of hair. I'm a very funny teddy bear. I've got 2 ears and a lot of hair. I'm a very funny teddy bear. I've got a nose and a lot of hair. I'm a very funny teddy bear. I've got a mouth and a lot of hair.
Great, so that's it. You can repeat it again and memorize it if you can. Now, let's move to the story.
Charlie! Nanny, look at my ballerina. She's got blue eyes. Look at my toy soldier. He's got brown hair.
Ooh, look at Charlie's teddy bear.
Look at Charlie's teddy bear. It's got, or it hasn't got any eyes. Okay, so the ballerina has got what? Green eyes? No, not green eyes, but blue eyes. Number 2, the toy soldier has got black Hair? No, not black, but brown hair. Brown hair. Good. Now let's move on. Okay, not this, but this I have. Okay, draw and color a teddy bear, an alien, or a monster face. We have here an example. Look at it. Oh, this is a monster, maybe. A monster face. Monster. Oh. Or maybe an alien. Alien. Maybe. Okay, so listen.
It's got green hair, yellow eyes, a nose, and a mouth.
Yes, it's got green hair, yellow eyes, a nose, a red nose, and a big mouth. One small eye and one big eye. Small eye, big eye, and a big mouth. Okay, that's it. Okay, so try to read this, read it, and watch it again and again, and try to memorize the song. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in another class.